Right now I don't make any videos myself. If I want to create a video, I simply open Telegram and type a message there. That's it. Then in a while I'll get a script and I'll approve the script. If I don't like the script, I will say change the script, and then the system will change the script. Then I'll approve it. After approving it, a video will show up on my Telegram message and also on my YouTube channel as unlisted. And then I can review that video and then I can publish it. That's it. Like, the whole system is automated.
You can record one take of yourself talking and never touch an editing timeline again. There's a free GitHub repo that turns Claude code into your video editor. Film yourself and it does the rest. It transcribes your footage, cuts your mistakes, and rebuilds the video around your best takes. Instead of screen recording your app, it generates clean UI mockups timed to your voice, then cleans up your audio automatically. You record once, Claude Code edits, packages, and can even post it. Want help setting this up for your own content? The link is in the description.
So I built this entire system using different tools, but mainly Claude, N8N, HeyGen, and vidIQ. And to be honest, I did not sleep last night while building this. I was awake until 5 AM. So this is something I built and I'm going to show you everything exactly step by step in this video. So let's first talk about the problem we had. Every creator has this problem. My biggest problem was not getting the ideas. It was basically managing the time. You have to write the script, you have to record the video. So many things you need to do alone. That's why I used to miss consistency. I could not consistently publish videos. So that's why I was thinking of something that could automate. Because of this problem, I built this. Now I don't have to put my time creating short videos. That's why I built this automation system. And now from my idea, right, it turns into a video and runs on its own, everything, even with my face, with my voice. So I want to show you everything, right? So let's get started. Let me give you a quick overview of the system before we start executing. But first, understand how the system is actually built. So first of all, we have 4 workflows on N8N. Workflow 1 is the idea intake via Telegram, okay? It takes the idea from Telegram and sends to Claude. Workflow 2 reviews the script. Claude sends the script and waits for the approval. Once it is approved, it goes to the production. Or if I ask for changes to Claude, it goes back for revision. Even once the revision version is approved, it comes back to Telegram and notifies me. So then it sends instruction to HeyGen. Once I confirm for the production, Claude automatically sends this to HeyGen. Then we also need the third workflow, but before that, let me show you Claude runtime. So when we push the idea from step 1, it comes to Claude, right? I mean Claude code routine. I have created one routine here, which is connected to our GitHub repo. And in that GitHub repo, we have skills and reference scripts. So Claude can read from there. Claude takes all its instruction from the skill given here, every instruction, right? How the video should be created, how the thing should go, which workflow to use, everything is there, right? The reason I have used GitHub to store the skill file and references because I can edit using different AI agents like Codex, Gemini CLI or whatever. So we triggered this Claude routine via API trigger, and this workflow we have added N8N, vidIQ and HeyGen as connectors. We have made multiple executions here, all API enabled triggers. Claude is responsible for all the entire system we built. All workflows follows its instruction. Now with the third workflow, we log everything into the spreadsheet. Claude appends the details to the spreadsheet. Whenever Claude gets update, like the title, the description, the approved title, the description, okay, appends into the spreadsheet. And yeah, the video ID as well. It gets the video ID from HeyGen because we have already sent it to production, right? So Claude takes the video ID from HeyGen, title, the description and appends it to the spreadsheet. Okay, then we have the fourth workflow. So which waits for HeyGen to actually get the video. So we have registered an N8N webhook inside HeyGen. And via this webhook, HeyGen reports back to N8N. Once the video is created, right, once it is successful, it goes to the spreadsheet, okay, find the row, right, and then get the video ID, and in the same row, it add the downloadable video link, okay, and then it downloads the video and it upload it to YouTube, okay, and then it send a message on Telegram that the video is uploaded, here is the link and it is unlisted. So that's how this system works. You are using a smooth workflow here, and whenever there is an error, that also get reported to me. So that's the whole system behind this. So now let's get started step by step. I will show you the demo of how it works. So first I will give it a topic on Telegram. So along with the topic, I will write the angle and the CTA, which is optional, but you can keep it. Just after a topic in a bracket, right, I can add use vidIQ or no vidIQ. So it tells Claude whether to use vidIQ or not, because I don't want to waste unnecessary credits of vidIQ. Then I will send the message. Okay, within seconds I get a message back that the topic has been sent to Claude, right, and Claude will send a script for review in a while. After a while it reaches to Claude. Claude creates the script and sends. I open the link and the links open a form which contains the title, keywords, description, whether it has any revision or not, okay, the CTA, and finally the script. I review the script. That's most the important part. If I don't like something, okay, I mark it as a request changes instead of approve. And I write the feedback, okay, in the box, right, whatever I liked and what I don't like. If I just simply like the script, okay, then I'll just select approve. I'll send back to Claude. If I give feedback and ask for a change, it goes back to Claude and it comes back with a new script in the same way, and even I can ask for revision again if I want. Now if I approve it, right, it moves to the next step and I get notified via Telegram that it has been sent to the production to HeyGen. So once Claude instruct to HeyGen start creating the video with the video agent. Inside HeyGen, I can also see if the video agent has started creating the video or not. I can see a new video has been added. The process is going on. Everything I can see. It can take a couple of minutes to prepare the video. So when the video is ready, right, it sends a webhook to N8N and I get a notification Telegram that the video is created. Or if there is an error, it will also send that. The moment I get it, right, the video has been created. I get the link to the video. It is unlisted on YouTube. Okay. So I'll go to YouTube and I can check the video there. I'll review the video and I may publish the video, right? Okay, so one thing, to be honest, right, this did not work me for the first time. There are so many errors, right, so many things, and like I had to redo again and again. I need to type multiple times and a lot of credit has been wasted from each platform just because I was doing this, just to solve the problem and just to get one finished video out. And now that is finally I have achieved. It's working. So if you want all the resources and if you want to make it work for yourself, I have put the link in the description of this video. And yeah, there is a real cost associated with running all these things, right? That's a disclaimer I'm telling you. You have to buy a lot of tools like HeyGen Creator Plan, vidIQ Plan, right? Then you may need to host N8N. So yeah, there are costs behind it. Also, you need Claude Pro subscription, right? So yeah, that's it. So see you in the next video.